Let's see how to create cost center, cost category and cost center class in Kitaabh. Click on the plus icon and under Accounting Masters, you have cost center, cost category and cost center class. Click on cost center. Let's say I have a business of computers and accessories. For me, computers would be a specific cost category and accessories would be another. And again, under the category of computers, I want to have two different cost centers with the names laptops and desktops. Let me create a cost center with the name laptops. Under the category of computers, I am categorizing it as a primary cost center and I am saving it. Let me create one more cost center with the name desktops under the same cost category of computers and I am saving this. So in this manner, whenever I record a certain transaction and I want to record it under this cost center of computers and laptops, which would again fall under a category of computers, it would be easy for me to identify and to report these transactions under a single hierarchy. This is how you create a cost center and a cost category. So we have created a hierarchy of having a cost category at the top and the cost centers at the bottom of the cost categories. Now let us see why do we need to create a cost center class. Let's take an example where the cost category is computers for us, and here I have two cost centers, which is desktops and laptops. So here I have an option to allocate different costs under this specific cost category of computers, and I'm allocating it to be 50% each between desktops and laptops. I'm calling this cost center class name to be computers allocation between desktops and laptops. By doing this, I can easily allocate costs in this specific percentage between desktops and laptops.